Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Abdul Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to continue our previous video, and in this video, we are going to try to create a data and then we want to send it into our Firebase. So let's open our previous project, and this is our previous project, and for the very first, we need to add package to our Flutter project. So we need to open pubspec.yaml right here, and we scroll to the bottom and we see dependencies, and we need to add new dependencies right here, Cloud Firestore, and we need to press this icon to get package. Alright, it successfully exit code 0, and we back to our main.dat again, and we say import here, and we say Cloud Firestore, and we want to import this library. Alright, we scroll to the bottom and we say right here document reference, and we say document reference and firestore.instance collection, and our path is students, my student, and document we want to name our document as a student name. Alright, and close it. So what is a document reference? Document reference refer to a document in a Firestore and can be used to write, read, or listen to the location. We can see right here to send our data to our Firebase. So we can use map, and we say here map, and we want to send a dynamic. So what is map? Map is a collection of key and value from which you retrieve a value using its associated key. So I use this dynamic because I have not only string, because I have double data type, which is it's kind of like a dynamic. Alright, so inside this we say student name, and it will student name, comma, and then again student ID, and then student ID, and again study program ID, and again study program ID, and the last is, let's say, student GPA and student GPA. Alright, we name it as students, and alright, so the next step is we need to send this mapping to document reference and then set data, and we need to provide parameter right here, which is students, and then we say not then when complete, and we say when complete. So inside this we say print student name created. So let's run our app. Alright, so we see error right here. Error while merging text archive. So we need to go to Android and then app, and here and we see here default config, and I want to try to change to 21 and run again. Alright, let's create a new data, let's say, and for the GPA let's say 3.4, and we need to see here, press create, and let's check in Firebase. So we see Stephen Hawking, and we have successfully create and send our data from Flutter to our Firebase. Alright, so we see here Stephen Hawking study program and blah blah blah, and let's add another name and press create, and we see. Alright, so we have successfully sent our data to our Firebase. Alright, that's enough my video today. See you on the next video.